Alright, g'day guys, we are back on the Hilux for another video. So we've got Craig here and he is doing my power steering lines and clutch lines and new brake lines as well. I think you'd seen Craig before. He did my BMW.
Was that about 3 years ago?
3 years ago, yeah. The one that I drove heaps. Drove around Malala once and did a burnout in it once. So, but yeah, he's here doing the clutch lines, brake lines, and then power steering. I had to go to the just Toyota's wreckers and find these because they have like a bit of a different sort of mount on them, bolt I should say, that screws into here. And Craig's got them all nice looking. We've got some rocker covers to replace these ugly things, as you can see. And Jase has mounted the power steering pump, obviously. We have our fresh brake lines, which is great, but yeah, so got a fair bit happening at the moment. It's all going ahead, but I reckon tomorrow we'll get the water pump. I'll pick that up at the boys in a minute, and then also got to go to APD to pick up some stuff for Sean tomorrow because he's going to the shed. He needs that for the Monaro. But getting pretty close to this thing, and once we get all this done, the engine mounts are nearly powder coated as well. So once we get that sorted, we can pull the engine out and go from there. And then we're going to put the clutch on and trans on, and then we're going to try and like lift it through all in one, dip it through and under, and then we can measure up for tail shaft and stuff as well. So all happening, so we'll get into it. Righto, and we're back. Let's measure up for this tail shaft, eh? Because then it can come out.
Yeehaw! Alright, well I'll go from here.
Yeah.
And if we want to basically just go to the centre, that'll be close enough.
I reckon we are 15. Yeah, 15.
15, 13. It's not 14, 13. 26, 28. No.
There you go.
Beautiful. Is that hard?
Yeah. Write that down. And then, so we can pull it all out now. And then bolt the clutch. Bolt the clutch and stuff on, don't we?
Yeah.
Water pump, all that other jargon.
Yeah, we'll rip it out. I reckon we'll rip the gearbox and motor out.
Yeah.
Like we were talking yesterday.
Yes. Yeah.
We'll pull that out in one hit. We'll get the big table over.
Yep.
We'll
Bump it on
top
that.
of that. We'll just separate them, do the clutch, get the box back together. You can clean your engine bay.
Yes, I can.
And then I reckon, yeah, like we said again, we'll just slip it all back in.
Yeah.
Now that we've got
Shiny red.
shiny, bright red, proper mounts,
Even got my name stamped on it. There you go.
just in case, you know,
Yeah, someone
we got confused.
Yeah, exactly. That's awesome. Okay, now fancy.
So, fancy.
Yeah,
We'll make it look pretty, yeah.
absolutely. I'm going to have to clean that engine bay really good now.
Yep. Oh, and the other thing too, we spoke yesterday,
Oh yeah, I did see that.
that's the Power Steer Delete
Yes.
pulley.
How good.
So now you've got your water pump.
Water pump.
You've got to run that to get a belt sorted out, so that's ready to rock it as well.
Oh, well, we got pretty much everything we need here, really. So,
I think, you know, sort of a few hours hard work,
yep.
and we'll be ready to
Put it back into the
put
last
it back
one.
into the last time.
As easy as that, people.
Excellent. That means we put it in the same way.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Considering how much around it was putting that trains in.
That's what I was worried about.
Yeah. All right, another day, and we are back with Jase working on the Hilux, and
Today is going to be a good day.
today is going to be a very good day because Jase has had some horrible days. Working with this spigot bearing and this engine and flex plate, that was too small.
Yeah, so the hole in the flex plate was too small,
Yeah.
and the spigot bearing was too large.
Too large, yeah.
Now this is only because of the aftermarket crank.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with the guys from Australian Clutches.
No.
They've done it for LS spec, which is killer.
Yeah.
But yeah, not quite so much a stroke crank. So
But anyway, it's
shit we learn.
yeah, exactly. Jase has worked that out the hard way.
Hard way.
So, but it's on, and yeah, we're going to patch this and then throw it in,
Cheer.
something like that, right?
Something like that. Theory is going to be amazing.
Well, that's what we want to do.
Yep.
All right. Mounts are in, people. Engine's mounted. And we're done in here. Jase has done his part well and truly.
3 times.
3. Have a look at him. Bright red. which is what we love. In there. How good. We're going to throw these wheels on and put it up together up there. When I get back, of course. Might make a start on it tonight, but see how we go.
Chrome.
Popping all those ends off.
Yeah. This is a long collection.
Cheap.
Yeah.
Cheap jargon.
Time to get some off of eBay.
Yeah, I reckon. I'm not sure I'm going to stick with these wheels, to be honest. Look at that.
Oh, that'll be interesting. See how that goes. Don't pick your own.
What's that? Oh. Yeah, I'm going to go a smaller wheel anyway.
Yep. Okay. Just try and get it a bit lower.
Yeah.
Yep. But that, yeah, just pay attention to that one.
Just a little bit close.
Plenty of clearance like that.
We are at home and we are working on the Hilux. Back from all my Ks that I've been doing lately. 6,500 Ks is what we did with the Monaro and the F-150. And so I'm just mucking around here before dinner. I'm going to change the rocker covers because we've got new ones of them, and put the water pump on, put the radiator in. So just going to set you guys up here and watch me go to work. I'm going to put some music on and just chill before dinner. Do something anyway. So that's the plan. Let's see how long it lasts. Alright, so rocket covers on. Those black ones, they look alright. Just finger tight, of course. Water pump on. Thermostat, bit of trouble with that. Going to drill that one out because we were cross threading. I don't know if you can see on the edge. Just in there, it's just hitting, so I might just put a drill bit on the inside of that. But yeah, I'm going to have something to eat. But that'll be a do it until we're back on it. Alright guys, that is going to end that video off. I've dropped the Hilux off at Mix and he's going to start slapping it together. I'm currently in Cairns and enjoying the warm weather, so hopefully when I get back he's done a bit of progress and we can start filming on that again. Plenty more to come on that, so stay tuned. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.